What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's day 10 of the Wilcoxon Challenge. So guess which solo I'm playing today? Did you guess? I'll wait. Wrong. Solo number 11. No, I'm just kidding. We're playing solo number 10. Let's go. Okay, quick note. For anyone who hasn't seen the other videos, the Wilcoxon Challenge is where I play all 150 solos from Charlie Wilcoxon's book, The All-American Drummer. It's a rudimental snare drum book. It's great. It's got a bunch of really short solos in it, and I would highly recommend it. I'm on day 10, so I'm playing solo number 10. I'm going to play it at 3 different tempos, a slow tempo, a medium tempo, and a pretty fast tempo. And I'm going to play it off the right hand, and I'm going to play it off the left hand. Let's do it. The first tempo today is going to be 92 beats per minute, and it's going to be off the right hand. Here we go. The second tempo for today is going to be 108 beats per minute, and we're going to play this one off the left hand. Here we go. The final tempo for today is going to be 124 beats per minute, and we're going to play this one back off the right hand. It's pretty brisk. Let's see if I can do it. Here we go. Okay, so that was solo number 10. Again, these solos are from Charlie Wilcoxon's book, The All-American Drummer. Highly recommend it. It's great for any level. Pick it up. I'll put the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.